Welcome once again to the Goddess Temple Palace. I am Queen, Mother, Goddess, Opulence, Ra Enter. And I am your guide and master teacher on the journey at the Temple Palace. Valentine's Day is here. And what does that mean to you? Where did Valentine's Day come from? I did some research and there's a lot of different opinions. But that's not what I want to talk about today. It does put a strong emphasis on love and receiving flowers from someone, generally male to female. And I thought I would share flowers with you of an exotic type. Various types of flowers that you may or may not be aware of that are possible to receive on this day. And I have love from my cat Tahuti, who has chosen to speak now and not hold his peace. And my thoughts of the flowers are, I prefer to have flowers that can be planted and continue to grow like you want your love to grow. Now, everyone doesn't have the outdoor area to plant flowers or even in an climate that is suitable for roses. But if you do, consider that. Or some of these beautiful exotic flowers that I have given you pictures of to stimulate your thought process of what kind of love you are really looking for. Do you want the love that everybody else is getting? Most people are given red roses on this day. And there are so many varieties of roses, as you see in the pictures depicted, that Mother Nature has given us. And yes, everyone is not going to get flowers from someone else. Ooh-wee, you can give them to yourself. That's a possibility, which brings me to a deep thought of mine, brought to me by others who have shared their words with me along my path. Marry yourself. Love yourself. Well, the love yourself is a revelation of my journey, but the marriage to yourself is most potent. Even if you're with someone else. Even if you've been married for a long time. Because part of the traditional vows are to until death do us part. The one companion you can be sure of is yourself. Making vows to yourself can assure you of keeping them. The exoticness of the flowers that I am offering you to consider puts a focus on having an exotic relationship. Because by following tradition of the red roses, you're following into the steps and programming of what a relationship is supposed to be about. It's about what works for you and whomever else you are in a relationship with. Goddesses, hear me loud and clear. And the petals from the roses that you do get, either from someone else or from yourself, save them for a love ritual that will be shared somewhere down the line. You can put them in your yoni, steam, combination of herbs, or save them, like I said, for a ritual being offered by me later. Stay tuned. And love, love, love. Give yourself a hug right now. And be thankful for all the various kinds of love that you have known and that you will know. Because love is a constant in this life. In many shapes or forms. Just as Tahuti spoke, Tahuti is love to me. Unconditional love I can give to him and he can give to me. Until we meet again, thanks for coming to the Goddess Temple Palace. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think about what I had to say, and share with others. Have a beautiful, beautiful day full of love each and every day. I vow to love me in more magical ways in every moment, in everything I say. For I am worthy of the best, greatest love. And I know how to give myself what makes me happy. And by observation of my treatment of myself, others will get a glimmer of how they could love me more. And I am worthy of being worshipped and adored. Goddess of love. For consultations, Goddess awakenings, questions, leave them in the comment area on YouTube, but you can also connect with me at Goddesstemplepalace@gmail.com.